Now, let me just show you something else. In case you installed this with this piece, or this piece facing up, right? This, for example, does not fit, right? So there's one side that this goes in. It's not the end of the world. Show you a quick solution, which is also if you want to have this a little bit more angled, right? You just come right over here. See, there's a Phillips screw in there. Let's just loosen that. See that? Okay, and then you can just flip it to the side that you want. So this is, it's tapered, okay? So you want likely the wider side up. But if you want, let's say you want the angle a little bit out like that, right? Then you just, and then just tighten it back down, okay? And then there you have it.